Disgusting. I'm gonna go to the store to get some food! Hey, mister, I'm gonna scan your items. Okay. All right, let's go, got some food! Oh no, I need treatment! Go to hospital! Oh no, I feel terrible! I have to get to the hospital fast! Ah, so fast! Help! I need a doctor now!
There. I am gonna get you some soup to be more healthy.
Thanks. Sips on soup.